Welcome Milano family to another amazing episode of the Milano Cooking Show. So today we are doing this delicious Sicilian chicken recipe. It's super simple. It's lemon, capers, and olives. Look, it's delightful, it's delicious. Watch this, give me your comments. I want to see how you like it and tell me some of your recipes. Look at this Sicilian chicken dish. You can do it during the week. So remember, download those recipe. So we'll see you possibly in the showroom, but we'll definitely see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show.